ang training ko paano gumawa ng ice cream. Sabi nung manager sa akin, first day ko. Tumayo daw ako sa harap ng ice cream machine. Panoorin ko lang doon sila
Nakatayo ka lang.
Kasi lahat ng tao dumadaan sa harapan. Diba
pero effective.
Sa counter.
Natuto ka.
Welcome to the Black Shirt Crew Podcast. Ito ang podcast para sa mga church creatives like you and me. More than just tech and tools, pag-uusapan natin ang buhay church creative behind the scenes and our faith that fuels it all. Tara, samahan mo kami sa aming kwentuhan.
Hi guys!
Ayun.
Welcome po sa ating Black Shirt Crew Podcast. Episode 11 na tayo, di ba?
Wow, 11!
Grabe.
Grabe.
So, how's your day? Di ba? Kumain na ba kayo? Sana ay watch nyo kami, di ba? Habang nagla-lunch.
Enjoy this episode. Masaya
Maganda yung
usapan
topic.
natin.
Yep.
Yes. Okay, so again, ako po si Chevy.
Ako si Pat.
Hi, I'm Martin.
And ako si JR.
Stay kayo until the end of this live stream because we have, di ba?
Mamimigay ka na
Pag-giveaway.
naman, Chevy. Grabe ka.
Giveaway. May chance.
May chance,
Diba?
may
Mamimigay ulit tayo ng ticket.
Yeah, again, stay tuned until the end because we have a giveaway for our Limitless Conference. Ayan. So, in this episode, we will talk about, of course, what's trending, di ba? In our recent weeks. Our topic, Unstuck, Iwas Buryo sa Ministry, How to Recognize and Overcome Stagnation in Church Media Ministry.
Interesting.
For Martin, what's buryo in English?
What's Buryo in
Buryo.
English?
Buryo.
It's bury with an O. No.
That's okay.
Buryo means
Buryo is what?
bored?
Bored.
Yeah.
Irritated?
Irritated and bored at the same time, I think.
Yeah.
It's an interesting Tagalog word. It's very catchy when you hear
Can you
buryo.
define buryo?
Oh, ano ba ang
Explain nyo
buryo?
nga yung buryo.
Buryo.
Para sa...
Yeah. But it says here, stagnation. Sa inyong mga quiz, ano ba yung stagnation? It's like a big word eh.
Hindi kami makarelate. We can't relate. We're always Stagnation is ano ba? Pag maraming lamok, stagnation. Kasi
Okay.
doon.
Hahari
Yun ang natutunan ko sa elementary doon.
Yeah.
Nabubuhay yung mga lamok.
Pero pwede rin buryo yun, di ba? Kasi parang, if you're
Nababato,
bored,
di ba? Parang ganun. Oo.
if you're bored, you're stagnant, di ba? Okay, so before that, let's dig muna doon sa mga trending topics
Yun.
natin. Okay, unahin ko na. For sure, mainit-init tong topic na to eh.
Sino kaya nakatry na ganito? Ano ba? Sino ba yan?
Etong nag-viral na bagong feature ni ChatGPT, di ba?
Yes.
Na pwede mong i-giblify yung iyong mga images. And of course, there's some backlash from those traditional artists, di ba, na sinusupport si Hayaw.
Wait lang. Na-try mo na ba yun? Na-try mo na
Personally,
yung
no, hindi pa po.
Pero ngayon kasi, they don't allow you to type. I mean, they allow you to type pero they don't respond anymore if you want them to giblify them. Yung image.
Ano
So,
yun?
giblify.
Kapag
Kapag tinype mo na, ChatGPT, turn this into a Ghibli style image. They will say na it's against their copyright.
What?
Oh, wow.
Na ulit?
I didn't know that yet.
Yeah, I did try it and I like it. Diba?
Pero there's a way around it. You have to describe na lang.
Okay.
So,
Chat nyo si
long
Patrick
prompt
kung paano
instead of
PM
Ghibli or Ghibli.
PM nyo si Patrick kung paano daw.
Yeah.
Pero ako tinry ko kasi familiar ba, nanonood ba kayo ng mga Studio Ghibli films? Have you watched Studio Ghibli
No.
films?
It's an classic anime.
I love it so
Or maybe I
much.
watched.
Yeah, I think,
I'm not sure. Maybe I
think
watched
you-
one. Probably I watched one, but I'm
They've
not.
been around for a long time, 90s pa, and yeah. Ako, manghang-mangha ako sa animation. Maski 90s siya na film.
Favorite Ghibli,
Naku, on the spot ako. Ponyo, I think. I like Ponyo.
Oh, I watched Ponyo.
Ponyo, yeah.
With my
that's-
kids, yeah, we watched that.
love
Yeah,
it.
yeah, I
Ponyo
like
is
that.
good-
That's
good
Studio
one.
Ghibli. Ghibli.
Pero yeah, yung animation niya, maski yung art niya is very, parang, kasi diba sa mga,
Distinct.
nung mga 90s kids, may mga anime na pinapalabas sa tanghali, parang relate tayo sa ganong style ng animation. And to
Anime.
be able to try it and apply sa mga pictures na meron tayo, I think, that's what made it, I think, more
Nostalgic.
popular now, nostalgic.
Oo.
And,
But I have a question because, di ba nga, dahil sa nangyari here, nag-re-emerge. Actually, itong quote from Miyazaki is an old interview from 2016. Na he said there, "I am utterly disgusted. This is an insult to life itself." He's pertaining to
Sa
the
AI.
AI technology.
Oo.
Actually, I searched the article, the Cool News. There's I think he said that because the presentation about AI is a body figure that is having creepy movements. So but then I parang naintindihan ko na rin na parang in general he's pertaining to AI. But kayo po, what's your take about that? Like for traditional artists like Hayao?
I think yung may video yun eh. There's a video where one of his staff like introduce animation using AI. Parang and not the exact quote pero he's really against that, no, yung AI animation versus hand-drawn. So what's your take?
Yeah, ako siguro kung photos lang, ako I'm okay with that kasi hindi mo siya malilimit eh. Like AI will adapt and adapt. I think there will be more na kagaya nito. There will be more issues like this in the future. Pero siguro if you make a film, like if AI can make a film like that na, di ba, na parang Studio Ghibli style, I think that will be a problem. I think diba?
Because copyright.
Yung animation, yung style. I think, pero kung photos lang,
As long as
you're not
it is
earning
not
off of it siguro. Yeah.
profitable, diba?
Yeah, I think they will catch up with the regulations about this in the future because they have to somehow protect these things. But it's not there yet, right?
Yeah, it's not just Ghibli. Actually, people are turning images to, Simpson style, Disney style, Pixar style. So, it just happened that Ghibli is the one that's being
more popular
trending.
now.
Okay, next. What's
Yeah, so
another news in-
in AI, the news, there are so many news every week, it's hard to catch up. So one of the biggest news the last weeks was the new Gemini model they brought out. It's called Gemini 2.5 Experimental.
Okay.
And there are a lot of people in the AI world saying that Google just dropped accidentally the best AI model ever because
Really?
it's just it's better than all the other ones at the
Then
moment.
ChatGPT.
Then they have these test things and it's better on all kinds of stuff, so it's really, really good. I tested it last weekend and programmed some stuff and it was amazing. It was just, I gave it a prompt, I want to have this and this and this, and it just gave me a whole program out of it, and it was just working without any problems.
like
So
you
it
don't
was
need to tweak anymore.
Yeah.
Like something.
so I think this did you hear about wipe coding?
That's a big claim, huh?
This is a new thing where people just code with AI, and I think with these kind of models, this will get more and more and more. It will,
Wow.
It's really nice. So you can try it out. It's for free at the moment, and it's a
Every
really nice
feature,
model.
It's
I think
free?
it's
All
at the
free?
moment. If you go to the AI studio of Google, you can just try it out for free.
Try nyo, guys.
Go there, do it.
So what did you like about Gemini? Like,
It's the precision of it. It's really good
precision.
answers
Okay.
and good code, and I really like that.
updated information also.
Yes.
Okay. Even for the free version.
Yes.
Okay. Wow.
Yeah.
Amazing.
Ayun. So, in other news, no, yung app na Tinder, alam niyo ba yung app na Tinder?
Yeah. We
Yeah, yun yung app for dating and meeting new people. Kumbaga, gumamit na rin sila ng AI technology. Sabi dito, to help coach users and its implication for relationships. Ayun. So, based on what I read, no, so parang they will be coaching itong mga taong ito na naghahanap ng kadate.
Okay.
On how to select the most, help users select the most attractive photos, generate messages, and improve conversations.
But I think, sir, it's a game.
It's a game. Yung AI.
Yes, the AI feature of Tinder. Like, katulad yan sa image.
pwede, no?
Parang I've read na it's like a simulation simulation.
Ang price, ka-date.
Ang funny niya because it will teach you how to flirt. Something like that. So, parang,
And then siguro for me, it was interesting and sad at the same time because, people need coaching in terms of,
Converse.
trying to converse with people that you need AI for that.
That's the new way of courting siguro. Kailangan may tech na rin involved.
Kailangan may
Oo.
AI wingman nga.
So write your love letter with AI.
Yeah.
Yeah.
meron pa?
Meron pa. Last but not the least, merong film na animated na lalabas sa April 11. The King of Kings by Angel Studio, yung gumawa ng Chosen. Sikat yung mga artista niya, yung mga nag-voice sila, Uma Thurman, si Kill Bill, 'di ba? Si Mark Hamill, Pierce Brosnan, si Forest Whitaker, tapos si Oscar Isaac, siya yung nag-voice ng Jesus. Kanina pinapanood ko yung trailer niya. I think ganda ng paggagawa niya. I think it's something that I'll watch with my daughter.
Yeah. You mean
ganda rin ng pagkakagawa. Ipapalabas din dito.
Sa Pilipinas.
Sa Philippines din, papalabas siya.
April 11.
Oh wow, good.
Baka naman, pwede naman ticket.
So it's in the same, I think it's
April
same week as
11.
Chosen.
So Robinson's Malls. So isa daw yun sa
Nice.
Pero ang ganda ng
Available
pagkakagawa sa kanya, like yung sound
Like
ko.
Disney
Pambata
like,
talaga.
mga Pero kahit di bata, pwede. Ako nga gusto ko.
Yeah,
I want to watch it.
It's a nice presentation of
Galing.
yung the life of Jesus. Diba?
Yeah.
So catch natin yan, guys.
Yeah.
King of Kings.
Ayan, so there you have it. Yan po ang ating mga trending topics, diba,
Dami
for these
nangyayari.
recent weeks.
Yan pa lang.
Okay, so for our main discussion, ang pag-usapan natin again is unstuck, iwas buryo sa ministry. Naramdaman nyo na ba na parang stuck ka sa media ministry? Diba? Parang walang bagong ideas, paulit-ulit, tsaka minsan parang burnout ka na. So, wag kang mag-alala kasi syempre di ka naman nag-iisa. So, in this segment, pag-uusapan natin ang mga signs na stuck na ang isang church media team. Bakit ito nangyayari at paano natin mababalik yung passion at creativity sa ginagawa natin. Ayan.
Yung mga sagot natin dito, wala naman tayong pinaparinggan dito, dinidescribe mo lang.
Yes.
So, huwag niyong angkinin naman, baka marinig niyo, ako baka church kayo ni Pat or ni Martin.
Yes.
People
Share
might think,
experience lang.
Martin is describing me. Joke lang, lang yan.
Ayan,
Kwentuhan lang, di ba?
Yes, yes.
Para matuto rin tayo.
Yes. So, kanina, di ba, parang I ask you what is stagnation. So, now, for you po, what do you think? What are the signs na ang isang church media team ay stuck?
Pwede ba yung tao na lang? Paano pag stagnation? Nasa siya? Point of ng life niya na stagnant na siya?
Pwede rin.
Siguro pag palaging galit. Kung palaging galit, nakita mo sa kanya, nandun lang siya, parang napipilitan. Tapos sa akin one major na na mapapansin ko sa tao na stagnant ay yung hindi niya maangkin yung task. Like, gagawin niya lang, pero
Just for the sake
walang
of
care
doing
sa
it.
equipment, walang care sa computer na ginagamit. Basta magawa lang yung task. Pagtapos ng task, iiwan niya. So isang isang sign yan for me na may something is going through something.
Like waiting for someone na mag-utos sa kanya.
Mag-utos sa kanya.
Walang initiative.
Walang
Yes.
initiative. Ganun. So again, walang pinaparinggan ha. Chikahan.
And I think
Kung feeling mo ikaw yan, mag-comment ka. Joke lang. Yeah, sa akin,
joke
siguro creatively, personally malalaman mo yun kapag stagnant ka or hindi ka nagmo-move forward. I think it's harder to see with other people. Pero for me, I know na somehow stuck ako kapag I have parang routine in terms of creative, parating the same solution, yung ginagawa, same design, solution, or in terms of, yun nga, hindi ka nag-i-improve in terms of your skill level. Ayun. Yeah.
Yes. Parang maganda ring yun, parang reflection. It's also, good to examine yourself, not just see others
Hindi,
stagnation.
iba na lang yung pansin nyo. Huwag na yung sarili.
It happens not to us.
pero it says here
That's good.
church media team eh. So a team can also be stagnant, no?
Yeah.
Ayun nga,
Correct.
no? So yeah, what do you
Yeah.
think?
Yeah, team can also be stagnant.
Yeah.
If they are not creative anymore, or they just doing their routine things
Yeah.
and not trying to new things or other things or something.
So probably there's no challenge anymore.
Yeah.
They're used to, the weekly routine. Yeah.
Tapos wala
Or they're
nang-
bored, right? I mean,
They're bored.
Burio.
Buryo. Yeah.
Bored. Bored. Good.
Alam na ni Sir. Okay.
Tapos wala. Siguro kung wala rin walang goal. Parang wala silang goal na. Wala
Yeah,
silang gusto i-achieve.
unclear.
Wala silang goal na i-achieve, I think.
Yes.
It's a sign.
And I also think speed. Like if you're not doing it, meeting the deadlines. Yeah, I think that's one sign.
And maybe also some lack of support from outside. Right. They are just for their own and nothing comes into there, and no help, no encouragement and stuff like this. So
I think that's a cause. Actually, that's our next question. What are the biggest? What are the biggest reasons why media volunteers feel stagnant or burnout?
yeah. So I think that's what I said.
Yes.
Lack of support.
So lack of support,
Yes.
no encouragement. And you said already goals, right? If they don't have goals,
Yeah.
I think that's also if you don't have something where you work to, it's
For me, maybe unclear expectations, unclear goals. Kasi I don't know if you've been in that kind of situation wherein the task that was assigned to you is a bit unclear. So without clear
Yes.
goals or expectation, it's hard to know if you are moving forward, diba?
Yeah. Me also think that there are some leadership issues and like leadership what
Buti dito wala na. No?
wala. I mean minsan cause din kung bakit stagnant ang isang team, maybe because hindi rin masyadong nagmo-motivate yung leader nila, 'di ba? Like siya rin mismo, 'di ba? Stagnant, ganyan, burnout. So that's why it's important to check on each other well-being, each other's well-being. Diba?
yeah. Or you just don't feel well in the team, maybe. Right? Could be also make you stagnant.
Yes.
It's possible also yung busyness, 'di ba? You can be busy, so busy with the weekly routine that you don't yung hindi mo na nare-review kung saan kayo papunta, what your goals are. Kaya every week you're just doing without really feeling if you're accomplishing something. Yeah.
And also feeling ko din hindi naman siya purely from creative reasons na you don't have any more creativity, that's why you feel stagnant because your relationship with each other, diba? It will also boost you if you have moral support, ganyan, mga ganyan.
Yeah, also siguro kung hindi ka na excite sa mga task na binibigay sa iyo.
Yeah.
So ako personality ko, gusto ko yung mabibigyan ako ng task na ma-challenge ako eh. So I think na nagtagal din ako sa ministry dahil sa thinking na gano'n na kung ano man yung dumaan na task or i-assign sa akin, sige, try ko lang. Wala naman eh. Kasi you'll never know pag di mo tinry. Like mga task na binigay sa akin, I think more than my capacity, palagi naisip ko, kaya ko ba yan? Hindi naman ako graduate ng ganito. Hindi ko pa na-try yan. Pero pag ang leader mo, pag ang boss mo may tiwala sa'yo, I know he'll figure it out. Parang sa akin parang validation na siguro kaya ko nga. They see something in me na hindi ko nakikita siguro. Pero sa atin din, pag na-assign sa atin yung task, just do our best, di ba? Huwag ka na magreklamo bago ka mag-isip-isip na di baka pumalya, baka mag-fail, baka mag-ganon. Unahin mo muna, gawin mo muna, try mo lang. Kasi ang dami namang ways to do things, di ba? Ang daming resources, may internet tayo, we have equipment.
Sa akin that's something that I need to be intentional about parate. Kapag usually kasi ako advance mag-isip when someone asks me if this can be done. or let's do this, may automatic iniisip ko na agad how it will happen. So right away I can see what are the roadblocks and what could go wrong. Ayun. So pero I learned na yun nga yung if we haven't tried it before, then let's try it first before saying this. Oo naman na this could happen, pero if we haven't tried it in reality,
Go lang ng go.
yeah.
I think another topic could be like comparison. So if there's
Yeah,
someone
that's
in the
good.
team
That's good.
who is better than you, right? And then you say, he's doing it better than me. Why should I do it, right? And I think that's the wrong attitude there, because I should learn from that guy or try my best and get there, right? So
Yes. Thank you for the
Improve.
advice, Sir Martin.
yeah.
I need that.
Don't compare, Shabby.
Yes. For me, I think it's also related if you have a leader who's giving you creative freedom. Take that chance and opportunity like to explore more, 'di ba? On what you can offer in terms of design sa yung
And
mga
soar.
sa yung mga
And achieve the dreams.
mga projects. Actually here sa office ka lang.
Soar.
Konting
Fly.
testimony.
Patay.
Share ko
Please,
lang.
pakik yung aking music.
Hindi, I just want to appreciate Sir Gian for giving me creative freedom. Kasi hindi, yung pag binibigyan ka ng ganong ng leader mo, sabi nagtitiwala siya sa'yo, hindi lang sa skills mo, kundi sa ability mo to learn on your own din, di ba? To explore. Na hindi, of course, kasi kung skills mo lang, alam na niya yan eh. Pero kapag binigyan ka ng isang task na sa tingin mo parang outside din ng comfort zone mo, it just means na nagtitiwala siya sa'yo na malalampasan mo yun.
Ganun
Diba?
lang. Ganun talaga.
So
Just
para
try.
ma-encourage ka rin doon, hindi lang dahil sa binibigyan ka ng mahirap kasi di mo kaya, pero dahil alam niyang you have to step forward, di ba? Ganun.
Or tinatamad na yung leader. Tapos,
Tinatamad po ba kayo?
No.
Ayan. So, okay. So, kung merong mga reasons bakit na-stagnant ang isang media team, kapag ganun naman, isa rin sa mga signs kasi is, may nabanggit ba kayo kanina na repetitive designs, repetitive process?
Paulit-ulit. Yeah.
So, if ganun yung case, if that's the case, where do you look for creative ideas? When everything
AI.
is repetitive.
AI.
AI is the answer.
Just ask ChatGPT, make me a new design.
Pero yeah, ako na-appreciate ko yung pag mag-create ng concept or minsan script, ang gandang boost na merong tatype mo lang, can you give me ideas? Parang bigla ka lang sisipahin, ito na. So ayusin mo na lang, input mo yung style mo, 'di ba? Sa akin malaking bagay yun kasi like pag gagawa kami ng script, minsan hindi ako expressive pag sa written format. Like hirap na hirap ako alam ko yung gusto kong sabihin, pero pag ita-type ko na, doon ako na-challenge, sabi ko, paano ko ba sisimulan to? Pero nung nagkaroon ng AI, di ba mas dumali kahit paano yung buhay. Dati assign ko pa yung script writing talaga eh.
Well, when it comes to getting ideas from AI, sometimes the ideas that they put out, it's not reflective of my personal character. So even if they suggest something, I think about na can that be parang ako ba talaga ito? From a design perspective siguro I go to Pinterest to check designs.
Yes.
And again even if I see different designs, I have to reflect pa rin sa sarili ko kung totoo ba yun para sa akin. Ako kung nagigets ba yun?
Yeah.
Totoo para sa akin. I want to say na I'm not just copying another work. No? So yun. So totoo ba siya sa akin? And Pinterest, tapos sometimes I watch movies that stirs up your creativity. Not necessarily directly sa pagde-design or what you are doing, but creative thinking. Yeah.
Pero wala namang masama, di ba, sir, na kumuha ng inspiration from other churches outputs.
Oo naman.
Diba? Kasi parang ano mo yun starting ground, diba? Especially if you don't have much experience in terms of the designs, diba? The kapag video reel siya, how you will shoot it. Siguro for me, to make it original, ba? As in, own nyo yung content or output, diba? I-mix nyo sa kung ano yung culture na meron kayo sa church,
Yeah,
diba?
oo.
It doesn't have to be na parang copied mo lahat kung ano ko pa na magsalita yung isang
Yes.
tao sa isang church, di ba? Kung mga contents yan.
And it's obvious if you see someone just copy without without considering the context of where they are. Ayun. So yun nga. So for example, if we are in a small medium church and most of the creative things that we see are from
Big
yung
churches.
mega
Yes.
churches and like Hillsong,
That's why we
Planet
think na
Shakers.
dapat yun yung
And sometimes,
standard.
'di ba, we want to adapt it everything
Yes.
visually creative, sound ganyan to our churches and it doesn't connect. Yeah, we have to have that pa rin, wisdom.
Also, note din. Ako, ang inspiration ko minsan Canva na lang eh. Like, pag may gagawin ako na video, minsan Canva, tingin ako ng mga templates. Tingnan ko lang siya. Sa akin, important yung mga color combination,
Yes.
mga font, ganun.
Actually,
take note,
enjoyable yun.
Make sure lang pag gagamit ka ng template, know that you can change yung pwede mo baguhin
Pwede
yung
mo palitan.
font, palitan mo naman yung font. Template na nga lang, yung pang font na ni Canva na gamitin mo or ano mo,
Experiment,
preset yan
diba?
or pwede mo palitan yung font, pwede mo palitan yung color, di ba? So, apply mo rin ang creativity kahit pa paano, di ba? So, yun.
Yes.
I often pray. I just pray and then
Wow.
think.
How long?
Right answer.
How long?
No, not long. Just a short message to God, and then if you're really stuck, and then sometimes you get a good idea, or then you find something. Even if you look at Pinterest or wherever, right, and you find an idea, what is exactly what you needed to do the job, right?
That's right.
Yeah.
We have answers na here from our previous question. What is the cause? Okay, for Miss Angeli Grace, she said na kulang sa internal and external motivation.
Internal is what? Like, from the inside.
Oo.
Ang ganda pag-usapan yun. Internal motivation.
Internal motivation. Ayan.
Internal motivation is what? Like, sweldo?
External.
External ba? External.
External. Ayun.
Internal.
Sabi ni John
Goals.
Menard, tinatamad na. Pakiramdam niya, di niya kasama ang banal na spirito.
Pray.
Yeah, yun yung
Just like Sir Martin said.
Si
What
Sir
else?
Alex Ong, Sir Alex Ong, minsan too many distractions, constant
Yes.
multitasking or
Yes,
digital
oo.
overload can reduce deep thinking which is crucial for creativity.
Yep.
Di ba? O na-overwhelm siguro sa mga napapanood sa sa online.
Kaya important yung yung solitude sa creative Yung may time ka talaga na mag-isip and yeah.
Nakapagod din manood, 'di ba? Like recently nagre-research ako ng mga equipment. Yung pag nagpunta ako sa YouTube, yung mga recommendation and types of gears, parang overwhelmed ka sa information na meron. Na paano ba? Ano bang unahin ko?
Paisip ka
ganun
ba
din sa
kung-
design, designs ganun din eh. Like sige mamaya, we'll talk more about it. But yeah.
Okay. So ayun nga maraming mga reasons, 'di ba? And also inspirations we can look, 'di ba? In terms na if repetitive na yung ginagawa natin. And then just like how Miss Angeli Grace said here na kailangan ng motivation. Para po sa inyo, how can small changes in media ministry spark new energy?
So if there is a new update of a software and it has new features, that can start my creativity. Trying new things,
That's the
right?
change.
Yeah, that's the change.
New office mate? No.
I mean, it could be someone in the team, a new one in the team who's
Or, yeah.
firing up the whole team because he has new ideas and stuff. So that could help.
What if I blonde my hair?
Yeah, maybe.
Yeah, ito.
Pahabaan niyo po, sir.
Would at least start conversations.
Yeah. Changes are good, di ba? So yan, mention mo pa nung nakaraan, di ba? Interns will spark kahit pa paano something in the team. having new people in the team, kahit intern pa yan, volunteer.
Yes,
A new face will make
Yes.
people, di ba?
Kaya important na constant tayong nagre-recruit ng mga bagong volunteers kasi yung young generation, having young people sa team mo can energize the team.
Yeah. Sa akin,
New people.
yung awards, give awards. Diba? Or rewards to the team.
Nakaka-boost din yan
Dito sa office,
Ay.
dito sa office, pag walang late ng matagal dito sa office, may free food. Diba? Parang ganun.
Uy, bagong rule ba?
Parang hindi na yun.
Hindi, may food dito every Friday. Pero
Hindi natin
it's awards or games, yung mga pag-games ng aming mga boss.
Yeah.
Ay,
Masaya siya yung mga
Kwento
spoon
mo yun, bro.
game.
Ang saya
So dito
nun.
may mga contest dito na challenge ka talaga yung yung gigil mo ba? Yung may mga parang spoon na ilalatag sa table, tapos unahan kayo kukuha ng spoon, parang may card siya involved. And basta
So, mga
riot siya. So
games
masaya siya.
na.
So kasi media ministry, 'di ba? Creativity, tapos may admin pa tayo na team, may marketing.
Ayun.
Pero things like that will help people hindi lang pala siya puro work.
Actually,
So
Ito,
just having fun together.
yes.
Pero ang naisip ko, kailangan pala natin siguro PlayStation or Xbox, no? Talagang
Uy.
mabuboost talaga yung
Shout-
creativity ng
Dance,
media
ano yun?
team.
Dance,
Shout out.
Would be
Sana
nice.
nanonood.
A week off.
A week off. Wow, a week off without pay or with pay.
Yeah, that's
But we appreciate our leaders
Yeah.
sa office.
Siguro yun din lately sa media team namin and shout out sa media team namin sa church. Super sila super busy, super dedicated sa work nila, and finally last week ata they were able to to finally have their outing na matagal nang pinaplano. So I'm happy na nagawa nila yon, and yun nga yung taking a break kasi that can spark new energy sa team.
And dun ba yung maglalabasan kayo ng sama ng loob? Dun ba
Open
yun?
forum.
Open forum.
Para pang high school yan eh.
Yung isusulat mo yung papel, tapos sa papel, tapos susunugin mo sa bonfire yung
Siguro sa akin, share ko lang, di ba, we're talking about like how you treat, di ba, your co-workers, co-media team. This is something na ginagawa namin sa church. It's not necessarily creative. Hindi talaga siya parang related sa kung ano yung mga design na ginagawa, ganyan. Pero something different lang every time na there's a birthday celebrant, we surprise them each
Wow.
ganyan,
Okay, wow.
with a small cake or gift.
Wow.
We have
pero kailangan ma-surprise ka. Pag
Oo
birthday
naman,
mo,
syempre, kaya nga surprise eh. Pero ayun, kumbaga, talagang pinagpaplanuhan namin.
Nice. That's
Mga
nice.
young pro,
That's
mga
good.
youth, ganyan. So, wala lang kasi,
So lahat ng may birthday sa
well,
team ninyo.
ako kasi parang as a youth leader, I only started it this year.
Okay.
Tapos pinick up ko siya from our culture in
That's
our young professionals.
Oh,
So,
sa'yo naman.
wala, it just makes me happy and parang na you want to celebrate their life, di ba?
Yeah.
From that parang internal motivation, di ba? It will mafe-feel nila, it will help them feel na they're included,
Yeah.
na they matter,
That's
they are
correct.
important, what
Na
they do
tao-
for the
tao
church,
sila,
di ba?
diba?
Makes this family feeling.
Yes. Ang ganda. So,
Hindi ako nagjo-joke kasi minsan
tao
may
sila.
feeling ako na na ewan ko kung nafe-feel niyo yun, yung parang kapag puro task yung ginagawa mo, you feel like a machine. Ewan ko kung ako lang baka
You are a machine.
machine consciousness.
Hindi. Pero yun nga, kapag puro task and walang personal interaction, like yun nga, yung what makes you feel human, di ba? You feel like a machine, and doon nagiging
Tao siya.
nagiging na you feel na parang okay, where am I going with this, di ba? Yun. Kaya okay yun na
Ako,
you
siguro kung
appreciate
young people ako, tapos naka-receive ako ng surprise, birthday party or greeting or gift, I think I'll appreciate it.
Yeah, oo.
Cherish ko yun. Pero kung masu-surprise ako, hindi ko alam. Kasi kung every year may surprise, baka hindi na siya surprise.
Routine.
Surprise mo magpalit ka birthday.
Routine na.
Surprise mo sila, wag ka pumunta sa surprise party.
Okay, kapag unmotivated naman kayo, ano yung mga simpleng paraan? What are some simple ways na ginagawa nyo to upgrade your skills and stay motivated?
Naalala ko nung last time nung 'di ba meron tayong pinuntahan na na graphic design
Graphica?
conference.
Graphica.
Yeah, yung Graphica, 'di ba? Ako nung nagpunta ako doon na excite ako sa ginagawa natin, 'di ba? Kasi creative siya and seeing people do creative stuff na iba sa'yo, 'di ba? Yun, it helps you be motivated.
Ako for me, when you're a church creative, I think, hindi ka mauubusan ng ways para maging motivated sa binibigay mong designs or creative designs. Because you can source from even projects na hindi siya, from church.
Mm-mm.
But and just, organize or i-redesign mo na based sa pangangailangan ng church,
Yeah.
So, yeah, I think it's also parang one simple way is to also look, 'di ba? From even hindi kahit sa secular world.
Mm-mm.
Kasi
Yeah,
you have to
agree.
meet people where they are nga, 'di ba? So, different kinds of people, different kinds of situations. So, marami, 'di ba?
Yeah.
Parang hindi ka ba ma-motivate no?
Yeah. Ako I like learning from young people, like mga tips and tricks with software, mga editing hacks or even camera work na ginagawa ng mga young people, like mga kahit konti lang followers, minsan pag pinanood mo sa kanya, uy, ang galing ng hindi ko naman apply lahat ng natutunan ko, pero yung effort that they put in, the style, the passion, young people brings that So, hindi lang puro mga batikan na mga YouTubers or mga tutorials online pinapanood. Even mga lumalabas sa reels or feed, I think I learned from that too.
Yeah, me, I learn mostly on tutorials on the web somewhere. It doesn't have to be YouTube, but YouTube is a good source. But like Udemy or something, and then find something what really helps you to get better in a specific area.
Also, meron pala akong dagdag. For me also, na try to switch roles. Because I think, of course, iba siya sa skill set mo. But upgrading your skills doesn't mean na what you know, yun lang yung ma-upgrade sa'yo. But what you also don't
that's a good
know.
idea.
So, if you switch roles, halimbawa, church photographer ka, then yung isa, sa audio.
Pastor.
Oh, di ba? Grabe naman, pastor.
Kaya ni Chevy yun.
Ay,
Huwag mo nakamon si Chevy.
Hindi naman. Pero yun nga, di ba, if you're a church photographer, then yung isa nasa audio, sound guy, try to switch roles. But of course, parang teach nyo yung isa't isa. Huwag yung agad-agad, di ba?
Cross-training yung tawag doon.
Cross-training.
It's also good to know what the others do. So when you give them something you create, then you know already what they need, right? So when I learned my profession in my company in Germany, then I had to go through all departments of our company to see how they work, what they do, to know what they need. So when I do something for them, I know already how it should look like or should be.
Yeah.
So cross-train, di ba? Nagmi-mix yung audio man, no? Maki-dial ka ng makipindot.
Hindi mo lang mangingialam na walang permission.
Pero actually parang for me ang pinakamahirap makipag-cross-training sa audio Ako
Sorry
kasi parang
na,
may sarili
namali.
silang may sarili silang
Hindi lang, ganunin mo lang.
Okay, sa slides
audio
operator
skill,
na
diba?
lang pala.
PowerPoint na lang.
Doon na lang.
Naalala ko nagtrabaho ko sa Jollibee dati. So, ang trabaho ko yung sa soda, yung mga sa drinks. Ang training ko paano gumawa ng ice cream. Sabi nung manager sa akin, first day ko, tumayo ka dyan sa harap ng tumayo daw ako sa harap ng ice cream machine. Panoorin ko lang daw sila pinapanood ko sila maglagay ng ice cream sa apat. Tawan-tawa ako. Nakakaya siya tingnan.
Nakatayo ka lang.
Kasi lahat ng tao dumadaan sa harapan. Di ba
Pero
sa
effective.
counter.
Natuto ka.
Yung pride mo lang, parang na-hurt lang. Pero isipin mo, manonood ka gumawa ng ice cream. Isipin mo, isang oras ka doon, di ba? Ay, nako.
Another thing, what I learned is from feedback from others. So that's where I learn a lot. So if people say, "Oh, this looks good," or "Make this and this," it could be look better or something, that helps.
Yeah.
And that's what we do here in the office also. Like we feedback.
Yeah. Good.
And also,
Kahit bad feedback, right?
Yeah.
Negative or positive, that helps us always.
okay. Ganun nga, may mga times na, di ba, na need ng relationship and collaboration. So, how can working with others bring fresh creativity and purpose? Paano makakatulong ang pakikipagtulungan sa iba para magkaroon ng bagong creativity at direction? Sige, siguro sa akin related din dun sa sa pakikipag parang switch roles or even just observing. Para sa akin yung fresh creativity dun pag nakipag-collaborate ka is nakikita mo yung working process ng isa.
Yeah.
And pwede mong ma-apply sa sarili mo. 'Di ba? And yung fresh purpose doon is dahil alam mo na hindi ka nag-work lang by your own, na meron ka pang kasama, 'di ba? And it makes your purpose parang mas mag-wide yung perspective mo. Of course, as church creative, we all know na we do it for the glory of God, 'di ba? But sometimes, let's be honest, na parang if we get too stuck sa isang project or sa isa, kasi nga routinary na siya, it's a routine. We tend to parang shift our perspective from giving glory to God to giving glory to ourselves. Kasi parang we want to prove something, kaya ko to, I can contribute to this more. But what if we also observe, 'di ba? Try to put our shoes on our workmates, 'di ba? Then we will see, 'di ba, what they can offer, ba what are the things na ginagawa nila to make our whole work easier, 'di ba? And more, 'di ba? May purpose talaga.
Malaking help na you interact with people na contemporary mo or mas magaling sa Ayun, kasi yun nga, you get to learn what they are doing na pwede mo i-apply sa sarili mong ginagawa.
Kayo po?
Mga masters sa ministry, no? Wala kang pumapasok sa isip ko na nakakilig pag may crush ka dun sa ministry mo, di ba?
Hindi, kasi sa akin
na mag-serve.
Sa akin may mga ganun eh. So isang example lang, si Ace. Sa kung nanonood si Ace, Nax. Ayan.
Shout
Every time na nakaka-interact ako. Si Ace pala, Ace Pendon, he is from Indigitus sa Crew. Ayan, Crew Philippines. And whenever he visits the office or we go to their office, yung pag nag-uusap kayo about ideas, no? So meron siyang ideas na kokopyahin ko to parang ganyan or i-apply ko or and recently 'di ba nagkaroon tayo ng yung last na likha natin na filmmaking lab, no? Sila yung ka-partner natin and it was a joy for us to collab. Ayun.
So kailangan may mga tao ka sa circle mo that you try to learn from, di ba?
Oo, tsaka mafo-force ka na, di ba, pag medyo tatamad-tamad ka na or lagging ka na, if you invite other people to collaborate with you, you have to bring your yung alam mo yun, syempre hindi ka lang naman magre-receive sa kanila, you want to also contribute din, di ba? So matcha-challenge ka na mag-improve din.
Siyempre, kapag naman, we want to improve. Actually, kanina nga, di ba, sabi sa parang morning devotion natin, like, technology and tools is really parang integrated ba? Parang what makes you, for humans, di ba? What makes us human. So, what tools or trends can small churches use to break out of stagnation?
Sa akin, na-enjoy ko pag yung mga churches, mga media teams, ginagaya yung mga uso sa TikTok. Like, kung paano nila i-apply yung style, di ba?
Yes.
So sa akin, natutuwa ako na that people, like church teams, try to create na content na nagba-viral mga online and put our take into it, like Christian perspective, na hindi malaswa, fun lang. With not
Yes.
that, let's show now we can have fun.
Yes.
Also,
Mostly sa mga ano
clean
yan
fun and creative things.
Mga youth.
Yeah.
Talagang
So,
dami nilang mga ganun na fun contents, 'di ba? Pag invite pa lang sa church, pag-present ko ano yung mga nangyari na recent events.
Yes,
Yun
parang
yung-
tayong target audience, no, Chef, no?
Yes,
Young people like us.
Young people.
Yeah.
Yun yung recent na na-appreciate ko doon sa naman namin, sa
Yeah.
media team din. Kasi may conference na sa church din namin. And so doon sa promo team, gumawa sila ng iba't ibang mga reels na promo. Kumbaga parang involving the different communities in the church. May kids, may youth, may singles, ganyan. And I don't know where they got their ideas from, pero most likely, kumbaga, yun nga, yung mga church reels na nakikita natin online. So,
Yes.
Pero effective siya. I saw some. Ang ganda na.
yeah.
Lumulupit yung quality ng ICS Church sa
Ayun.
sa kanilang mga reels.
mga natin yan. Mga video editors.
Congrats
and
ko. Congrats. Magaling.
Yes. Actually nga, isa sa mga siguro marerecommend ko na trend. Kasi trend na rin siya ngayon. Alam niyo po yung no sound trend. Like no music trend. Kasi di ba most of our reels, we tend to put background music, di ba? Famous background Christian music to boost. But then there's also a trend where you will show authentic background noises, voices.
Yeah.
Diba? I think for me that's effective to also capture one's attention, especially because
It's different.
why is there's
No
no,
sound
sound?
talaga.
Talagang mapapawatch ka. Diba? And it will also show your the authenticity of what's happening inside your church. Diba? What they
That's
can
good,
hear.
yeah. I
So
like that.
I think
Nice.
that's a good
Magawa
tool,
nga yung trend.
Ayan.
Yeah. Ayun. So may comment ulit tayo. Sabi ni Angeli, accept that your ways are not the best. Yun, tama. And be open to collaboration and criticism. This makes ministry and life better. Ayan. Tama
Great.
yun. Tama. Don't always think. Di ba sabi naman sa Bible yun don't always think. Think about, ano nga yun? Think, ang hirap Englishin. Kumbaga parang think others better than yourself.
Okay, isa pa from Lord Winmonte. Small changes, malaking effect po siguro pag motivated yung mga members ng media. Siyempre, pag maayos yung devotional life, okay din output.
Ay, ganda.
Oo, tama yun.
syempre.
Personal mo pa rin. Feeding.
Devotional life. Yeah, agree.
Yes. And from Circuit, don't limit yourself because your church or media team is small. Try something new.
Yes, very good.
Pero yun
Okay.
yung sinabi ni Lord Win na yun check yung Devo. No. Pero may mga instances that you are spending time with God and doing all the pero you still feel stuck. 'Di ba? May ganun eh.
May mga seasons.
Oo,
na-
seasons.
Seasons lang din. So, may life ka rin naman. Di lang naman puro ministry.
Yeah.
So, yeah. Be gracious sa ating mga ka-teammates again. So,
And sa ating mga
iba tayo
sarili.
ng season. Yeah.
Tsaka kumbaga parang siguro yung minsan din naman we are eager to move forward or to advance na yung team mo hindi ready or kasi pag team yan 'di ba meron ngang sabi na if you want to go fast do it by yourself, 'di ba, which is true, pero if you want to go further, yeah, do it together, 'di ba? So pag sa team kasi talaga, since iba-iba kayo ng wavelength, no, sa umpisa sometimes yung mga process it goes slower pero we have to see it as you're building a foundation, and as you gel, as you synergize, mas mapapabilis yung pag-advance niyo together. Ayun. So minsan kasi and ako dumaan din ako sa phase na yun na parang ang bagal naman ng mga ka-team ko, parang ganyan or pero you have to remember na as part of the team kailangan sabay-sabay kayo.
And I think that's more fulfilling.
Yeah, oo.
So, synergize. After na synergize,
Enforce.
Enforce. Kailangan ma-enforce niya yun. Yan,
So one tool I use sometimes or often is just to sleep. Sometimes it helps me just to stop my work and sleep.
How
Not
many
now.
hours
Don't
did you
do it now.
last night?
Don't
We
do
need
it now,
that.
Martin.
Yes, rest is worship too. Okay, so yeah, moving forward,
Grabe.
how do we reconnect with the why behind what we do in media ministry? So more on na tayo.
Tagalog.
Motivational.
Tagalog. Tagalog. Kailangan mo Tagalog kasi English yung tanong mo, parang feeling ko tuloy English dapat yung sagot.
Okay, paano natin mareremind yung mga sarili natin kung bakit ginagawa yung media ministry? I think we've talked about this na, no? Many times. So, parang reminder na lang din.
Yeah, siguro reflect ko sa sa AP Media, sa naman, sa vision. Laging dapat babalik ka sa vision. Again, media, ang daming opportunity, ang daming avenue, ang daming style and trends. Pero babalik ka sa vision. Ano ba yung vision? Sa AP Media, AP Media's vision, advance the gospel by empowering Christ followers to effectively use media and technology.
Yon.
So kung ano man yung task or thing that you'll have to produce, tingnan mo sa sa mission ng company, ng ministry. Ma-accomplish ba nito yung vision or hindi? Kung hindi, madali mag-no. 'Di ba? So again, people, other ministries, churches again will come to us and ask, can we help in this way? Produce this, help them do this. Pero minsan pag hindi siya in line with the vision, we can easily say no. Kasi alam mo na hindi yun yung pinaka-goal ng organization.
Sa tingin niyo, what's one step media volunteers can take today to get unstuck?
Ito yung question of the week natin, no? Nasasagutin din nila.
Uy. Sige, remind na natin sila. Sagutin na nila ngayon.
sagutin
Yes.
natin
Para may chance silang manalo na
Yes.
tickets sa
Limitless Conference. So guys, comment your answer. Ito yung question. What's one step media volunteers can take today to get unstuck?
Anong pwede nyo gawin? So, something applicable agad, no? So, yan. Pag sinagot nyo yung tanong, kailangan gagawin nyo, ha? Hindi na
Tama
maganda.
lang. Dapat
hindi
may
pwedeng lang,
dapat may
ha?
application, di ba?
Bang na
Hindi
pwedeng
lang
gawin.
words.
Yeah, sa akin yung pausing pa rin, taking a step back. Kasi well, if you feel stuck, yun nga baka overloaded ka na sa routine and you know, you're not pausing to evaluate, you know, yung mga ginagawa mo and yung why. So baka na-disconnect ka na doon sa why. So
Yes.
it's important to pause and reflect, do a personal, you know, diagnostic. Bakit nga ba parang feeling ko wala akong how's my relationship with God, how's my, you know, yung creativity, ganyan. So when you identify those things, no, I think doon ka makakapag-identify ng mga steps ngayon. Paano ka move forward, whether, you know, taking a new class or visiting a friend na pwede mong makakolab, you know, creatively, yung mga ganung bagay.
Related sa sinabi ni Sir Martin about rest.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Related. Okay. May nag-comment here from, again, Lord Win. Sa why po, siguro filtering ng right people plus right gifting and calling sa media team. Although need po talaga ng workers, pero minsan po kasi, pag wala dun yung heart and mind ng member,
Yes. Oo.
baka nasa kids pala or helps, dun siya mas maging productive.
Nice. Next one, Lord Win. Yeah, assessment, again, like kung nasang season ka ng iyong pagsaserve, kung matagal ka naman nagsaserve sa ministry or ka-start mo pa lang, assess mo yung sarili mo. Masyado ka na bang komportable sa ginagawa mo? Hindi ka na ba na-excite? So, try something. Talk to your leaders, your pastor, your team leaders. Maano ka rin, may voice ka rin. You can suggest, and kung ma-shoot down yung idea mo or yung gusto mong gawin, okay lang yan. Minsan mapifeel mo na hindi ka appreciated. Pero kung nagsiserve ka sa ministry, hindi naman lagi yun yung goal natin, to be appreciated.
Yep.
Just do your work, be diligent.
Yes.
Kaya ka nandyan kasi may skill ka. You have something that you can impart sa iyong sa iyong church, sa iyong ministry. Grow and thrive kung nasaan ka sa season na yan. Kung ano equipment meron ka, kung limited man yan, or marami ka masyadong equipment, di ba? hindi yan dun masusukat eh. So, thrive and grow. Try new things.
Yes. Just be honest then, di ba? Don't be afraid to talk to your leader or your co-member. If you need to tell them na you need rest.
Yeah. And they
Or
will be
need to
honest
break,
with you.
right?
Yes.
Vacation ka.
Yeah.
Di ba? Yung mga ganun, yung nagmumuni-muni sa bundok.
Ay,
Pag feeling
si Shelby,
na, stuck.
kakabundok lang yan ni Shelby.
Okay. So, meron tayong bagong segment, di ba? Where mag-update lang tayo. Ano nangyari dito sa AP
Sa AP
Media
Media.
Office?
It's
Ano nga
good so
bang
we don't
nangyari?
stuck, right?
Yes, tama. Exactly.
So,
Yeah, dami nangyari sa office. And, AP Media kasi hindi lang naman puro podcast yung ginagawa namin. Like we produce content also, mga short films. We produce a radio program. Tapos yan, yung mga webinar. Tapos yung conference. Teka, ang dami natin palang ginagawa. No? Pero yeah,
All in one na.
marami kami
Jump.
updates. Pero during this moment, we are in a season of acquiring gear. So we are blessed by supporters that believes in the vision and mission of AP Media. So we are blessed. So right now, yung stress levels namin medyo iba kasi nakaka-stress din pala mag-shop ng equipment. Pag may
Nakaka-stress.
it's a bad stress.
Oh, no, it's a good stress actually because you're finding you're researching new equipment and yung mga gamit mo better in the future. So
So you will be more creative in the future.
how will it help the ministry to move forward and adapt
Very
to
good.
changes, diba? So it's been fun. So yeah, we recently bought a cinema camera that makes Director Shelby quite happy. We got lenses, new audio recording devices. So yeah, challenging pero masaya. Masaya siya. So yeah, God is good. Just be faithful. Yeah, sa mga nanonood, we're not bragging. We're just saying that the Lord is faithful.
Yes.
Just be diligent and just use and make the most of the tools that you have. Kasi yung mga equipment that we have here, like yung mga equipment namin baka mas matanda pa sa mga ibang audience natin, di ba? We have gear na like 30 years old and ginagamit namin, di ba? So yeah, be faithful, just use what you have, and the Lord knows when to take you to the next step.
Ayun.
Yes.
Been fun.
Very good.
What else?
So, what else?
Yeah, Limitless is coming soon. It's going so fast. It's less than 2 months till Limitless will start. And it's very exciting. We are preparing here everything. Last week we went to the church again and we're talking with the church, and they are excited for the event, and we are excited. So I think you should just go to the website, register, otherwise you will miss something really, really cool.
And we are ready for how many people? 800, right?
Yeah, we have at least 800 seats.
Yeah,
so
we have 800 seats for you.
just
Unahan na lang po.
We have a lot of booths there, so you
Yes.
can see new equipment and stuff and get inspirations. You can connect with other media workers there. It's just a day of connection and a good inspiration day.
Kung kayo, yung mga media ministry nyo, kung buryong-buryo na po kayo sa mga ginagawa nyo, kung ikaw nanonood, ikaw yung media ministry worker, tapos naisip mo na parang walang patutungan yung ministry, I highly suggest have your pastor
Come
send
to
you.
Yes.
Come to Limitless.
Yeah.
Kasi para sa inyo po talaga to. It's this conference is made for you and by you, like again sa promo namin, that's what we keep saying, kasi yung event na yan ay para talaga sa inyo.
Yes.
So ang daming testimony about it na after daw nila matin ng Limitless 2 years ago, talagang nag-improve, mas na on fire yung kanilang mga workers.
Yeah.
So hindi lang namin yan sinasabi para mag-earn, but we really created this event para po sa inyo. So join po Limitless 2025.
Yes.
Ayun. So in other projects din dito sa AP Media. So recently, we did an interview, a testimony, no, of mom, no. So under ito sa project ng Moms Magazine, no, ni Ate Delcy, and so this week lalabas na po yung testimony video ng misis ko.
Wow. Panoorin
Yeah.
mo po.
So tonight, I think the teaser will come out, and later this week ipapalabas po namin yung testimony ng
The world premiere
the world premiere of
Doc
Yeah.
Netty.
yeah, ayun.
Grabe. About ano ba yan? About saan?
About kung paano kami paano dumating yung baby namin after 11 years. So it's a testimony.
Oh my goodness. Panoorin yan. Grabe
yeah.
touching yan.
So
Akala ko about
inspiring.
dentistry yung video. So buti klinaro mo. Yeah, panoorin niyo pa.
Ayan. So yan po yung mga updates, 'di ba, na ginagawa namin dito sa AP Media Office.
Yes.
Ayan. So, again, kapag feeling stuck tayo sa media ministry, kailangan nating bumalik sa source ng tunay na inspiration. Si God at si Holy Spirit. So, minsan, kailangan lang natin lumabas sa routine, di ba? Subukan ng bagong creative challenge.
Yes.
At makipag-collab, di ba, sa mga kapwa creatives natin na magkapalakas din ng mga loob natin. So, tuloy lang tayo sa pag-grow. Dahil si Lord yung magbibigay ng fresh vision tsaka renewed passion sa paglilingkod natin.
Amen.
Sabi nga sa Isaiah 43 verse 19, "See, I am doing a new thing. Now it springs up. Do you not perceive it? I am making a way in the wilderness and streams in the wasteland."
Amen.
So,
Amen.
napakagandang inspiration nun para sa ating mga church creatives, 'di ba? Anong klaseng creative ka man na magpatuloy na mag-grow. Diba? Because we share this one goal, 'di ba? To glorify God and bring more people, diba, to His kingdom.
Sana ma-refresh yung mga nakapakinig ng message na yan. Yung mga makakapakinig ng podcast na ito sa Spotify, we hope na ma-encourage kayo sa message na.
Yes. Ayan. So, banggitin na ba natin winner?
Ano nga ulit yung tanong?
What's one step na pwede nilang
Yes.
gawin para ma-unstuck sila?
Ito na yung nanalo.
Hindi pa.
Hindi pa.
Hindi pa ba yan? Sige, mga comments lang. Basta
Okay, from Irish Bueno Panugali. Remind yourself kung anong nagagawa ng ministry na yon sa buhay ng mga tao. Like it helps them connect with God, be transformed, and break through.
Yari ka, Irish, di ko pa pala.
Pasensya na po na Pia words back. Ayan, from Pastor.
Ayan, panalo na,
Sir
Ayan.
Alex, ayan. Explore new creative ideas without hindering the team's ability to adapt.
Si Lord Win. To be unstuck po, learn new things, increase knowledge, and explore. Parang sa mentoring group, connect to a group that have the same
Ayun,
vision and
diba?
passion.
Pinromote yung mentoring
Yun.
group.
May natutunan talaga
Ganda
si
siguro yun.
Lord
Ganda sa
Win.
Surya
Video siya,
mentoring group
diba?
na yan.
Si Lord Win
Yeah.
ba? Ayun.
Okay, from John Mel Rosales.
Ayun. To be unstuck, we need clarity, efficiency, and to know our purpose so that we can serve our ministry more effectively.
Ganda na ang sagot nila. Okay,
Thank
sige.
you po for answering.
So,
Ang
ang
ating
nanalo
winner,
ay si...
Ang
Totoo
next,
na to.
Ito na yung winner talaga. Irish, sorry talaga. Ang panalo ay si Jessery Antagle.
Go back to your why ka nag-serve. Balikan mo ang purpose mo and assess yourself if yan ba talaga ang ministry na para sa iyo.
Yon,
Pray, pray,
congratulations Miss Jessery. Ang kanyang
Yes.
premyo ay
Limitless Conference
Ticket.
Ticket.
ticket. Okay.
One
Wow.
free
Yeah,
access.
Sana
Wow.
maka-join ka sa amin sa
Yes,
date sa
yes.
sa Limitless 2025.
Yes, yes.
To get the prize, paano niyo makuha?
Just message us on our FB page.
FB
Diba?
page,
FB
yeah.
Asia Pacific
Message lang.
Media PH.
Yeah, si Sir Johnson ang sasagot.
Yes.
Yun,
So
grabe.
again po, thank you guys. Thank you
Salamat,
everyone for
everyone.
listening and watching with us today. So again, follow us on Spotify and bigyan nyo naman kami ng rating. Pwede kayo mag-comment doon actually, di ba?
Check out our past podcast. Diba?
Yes. And also join our Media and Ministry Forum, di ba? On Facebook. At talagang malaki yung community na yun at talagang maraming makaka-help sa'yo sa mga questions mo about media and ministry. Ayan. So thank you everyone. We are now signing off. Ako po ulit si Shelby.
Ako si Pat.
I'm Martin.
And JR.
Thank you for listening to the Black Shirt Crew podcast. Let's continue the conversation and join our Media and Ministry Forum Facebook group.
Okay,
Ayan.
yes. Bye-bye,
Thank you po,
everyone.
everyone.
Thank you for listening to the Black Shirt Group podcast. Let's continue the conversation. Join our Facebook community group at Media and Ministry Forum.